Welcome to the 10th sum. Now we are going to go for substitutions of differentiation. So here how we can substitute the values that we have to know. If it is direct formula, we can apply it directly, or if not, we have to think over it, and if what we have substitute there will get the answer, we have to think over it. Here y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. This is the direct formula. We no need to bother about that one. So what is our answer? 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine squared x by 2. Half angle formula. I already informed that 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine squared x by 2. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos squared x by 2. Cos squared x by 2. Now apply here. What is our answer? Y is equal to tan inverse of root of 2 sine squared x by 2 divided by 2 cos squared x by 2. It is the beauty of mathematics. So we can cancel this 2. So what is our answer here? Y is equal to, so our answer is nothing but our y is tan inverse of square root of sine squared x by cos squared x by 2 is tan squared x by 2. Remove from the root. So y is equal to tan inverse of tan x by 2. So if you cancel this, we can cancel tan inverse and tan. So y is equal to x by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. So what is our answer? Dy by dx is equal to, our x differentiation is 1. So my answer is 1 by 2. Whether it is easy or not, it is the simplest problem. If you know the trigonometric formulas, we can apply the formula and we can cancel the term and we can find out what is dy by dx. Now come to the 11th problem. Y is equal to, the direct formula we have applied. Here what we can apply here and we can get the answer, we will see it. Shall I have our 3x is equal to tan theta. So what is our answer here? So I can modify this question. Y is equal to tan inverse of 2 into 3x divided by 1 minus 3x the whole squared. So I can apply for 3x is equal to tan theta. So tan inverse of 2 into tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Now give the answer for me. What is the formula for here? Tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Am I right? So which is equal to, y is equal to tan inverse of tan will get cancelled. So 2 theta. So y is equal to, it is not in x function. So change it into x function. What is our x function? Theta is equal to, bring it to this side. So it will become tan inverse of 3x. Now substitute here. So y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of 3x. Now give the answer for me. So differentiation of tan inverse of x is equal to nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. So differentiate with respect to x. So what is our answer? Y differentiation is dy by dx, which is equal to 2 into tan inverse of 3x is 1 divided by 1 plus 3x the whole squared into 3x differentiation is 3. So which is equal to 2 3s are 6 divided by 1 plus 9x squared. So dy by dx is equal to 6 divided by 1 plus 9x squared. So if you don't know what we have, if it is not in the formula method, so you have to think a little bit and you have to substitute what to get there. So from these two problems, you can identify directly that what is that function, first function, inverse function, that answer will come for here. If it is tan inverse, the answer should be in tan. If it is sine inverse, the answer should be in sine. And if it is cos inverse, the answer should be cos. So memorize the formula clearly and have the steps and find out the answer here.